Do you know why the Cold War started and how it changed the world? Let's find out. The Cold War was a state of political and military tension between the Western powers, led by the United States, and the Eastern powers, led by the Soviet Union, that lasted from the end of World War II in 1945 to the early 1990s. The two sides never engaged in direct warfare, but they engaged in a range of economic, political, and military actions that threatened to lead to a global war. The main reason for the outbreak of the Cold War was the different ideologies of the United States and the Soviet Union. The United States believed in capitalism, democracy, and individual freedom, while the Soviet Union believed in communism, dictatorship, and government control. These ideological differences led to mistrust and hostility between the two sides. The Cold War was fought on several fronts, including Europe, Asia, and Africa. It involved a range of actions, including espionage, economic competition, proxy wars, and arms race. Some of the most significant events of the Cold War include the Cuban Missile Crisis, the Korean War, and the Vietnam War. The Cold War came to an end in the late 1980s and early 1990s with the collapse of the Soviet Union. The United States emerged as the sole superpower in the world. The Cold War had a profound impact on the world, leading to the creation of alliances such as NATO and the Warsaw Pact, the rise of the military-industrial complex, and the development of nuclear weapons. It also led to the division of Germany and the creation of the Berlin Wall, which stood as a symbol of the Cold War until its fall in 1989. As always, like and subscribe for more informative videos.